And Namaskar, Malati. Am I visible as well as audible to you all? Okay. Okay, Malati. Your name is Malati. What is the significance of your name?
Sir, Malati is the name of a flower,
Yeah.
and I'm like a flower. I give lots of happiness to my family. When I take in part in my family, I give lots of happiness to my father and mother.
Okay. Okay. Very good, Malati. As your biodata is not with me, I know that you are my student. Your one optional is sociology, but as your biodata is not with me, I don't know about your other optional. What is your other optional?
So my other optional is geography.
Geography. Geography. Okay. 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 So, Malati, can you tell me how sociology would help you in matter of becoming an efficient and effective administrator in Odisha?
So, the sociology is a subject of the scientific study of our society.
Okay.
I can find out the problems and what is the solution of the people and what I should do for the society. In that way, I can do the improvements. In this way, sociology will help me
Okay.
for a good mission.
Okay. I think some noise is generated from your side for which some disturbance is created. May I request you to just disconnect us, but that earphone so that it would be more clearly audible to me. If you disconnect the earphone, I think it would be more audible. Or I think because you are using the earphone, that's the reason some noise is generated. Please disconnect the earphone.
Yes.
Yeah, I think now noise is subsided. I am able to hear you in a very peaceful manner. Okay, thank you, Malati. Yeah, so you told me that if your knowledge about sociology would help you to become a better administrator, you said that means people, those who are not having sociology optional, they cannot become better administrator for the state of Odisha. Do you think so?
No, sir. They also can be a better administrator, but whenever we specifically know about the society, then I think we can efficiently serve the society.
Okay, very good. Malati, can you tell us what is the fundamental difference between religion and spiritualism? The difference between religion and spiritualism. Can you tell me the difference?
So religion is a mechanism which gives us potential to live peacefully in a disciplined manner.
Yeah.
And spiritualism is a feeling which exists in our mind.
Yeah.
And with spiritualism, we also, an individual also can be good discipline, and it also can be live peacefully.
Okay, so I wanted to know from your side, can a person without religious belief and thought develop spiritualist orientation or not? A person without religious belief can be spiritualist or not?
Yes, sir, can be spiritualist.
Okay, absolutely. Okay, absolutely correct. Malati, can you tell me why IS officers are called white elephants in our country? White IS officers are called white elephants. Why they are called white elephants? Do you know it? For what reason?
No.
Okay, you see, you know white elephant? White elephants are very beautiful to look at, but they don't have any utility. Okay, so critics of IS officers, they say that IS officers, they are taking huge amount of salary from the government. But critics say they don't have so much contribution because it's the political master, the ministers who take the decision. Viewed in this angle, the critics say that IAS officers are white elephant. You may accept it or not. That's a separate issue. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Malati, what is your hobby?
Sir, I love to travel and I also like to read books. That is
Books.
my hobbies.
Okay. Okay. Which type of books do you prefer to read?
Actually, nowadays I'm always busy with my study books, but I always love to read novels, etc.
What type of novel do you like to read? Classical or modern? Who is your favorite novelist in Odia?
Actually, when I was, it may be 5 years back, I was reading the books of Mr. Bhagirathi Das, etc.
Okay, Bhagirathi Das. But present day novelist, you don't read their novel. You don't read it. Present day novelist, those who are having name and fame in Odisha, you don't go through their novel.
No, sir.
Okay, all right. So, and you love traveling. Which places of our country you have traveled? Which places of country?
Till now, I could not go abroad, but
No, since the childhood till this age, what are the places that you have traveled in our country? Because you love traveling.
yes, only I have visited Kolkata, Delhi, and most of the places of Odisha.
Okay, Kolkata. Okay. When the capital of India was shifted from Calcutta to Delhi, can you tell us? Capital
Yes,
of
sir.
India shift. Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. In 1911, capital shifted from Kolkata to Delhi.
Very good, very good. What is partition of Bengal, and for with what objective the Britishers partitioned Bengal into east and west part of Bengal when it was partitioned?
During Lord Curzon, the Britishers adopted the divide and rule method to separate us so that they can rule. And in 1905, the partition of Bengal occurred.
Okay. Why did the Britishers divide Bengal? What was happening in Bengal so that they wanted to divide Bengal? Something might be happening, but might be giving challenge to British regime. For that purpose, they divided Bengal, though they did not publicly declare it. Something was definitely happening there in Bengal for which divided Bengal. Can you tell me exactly what was happening in Bengal?
Bengal was the place that was full in, first of all, wealth, and the second thing, the nationalism take place from Bengal.
Yeah,
So
very good.
They
Very
were
good.
in fear.
Bengal was the epicenter. Bengal was the epicenter of growth of nationalism. Britishers could not tolerate it. That's the reason they divided Bengal into East and West Pakistan. But they took the plea due to administrative convenience. They divided Bengal. Okay, very good, Malati. So, Malati, can you tell me who is father of sociology? Father of sociology.
Sir, Auguste Comte is the father of sociology.
What is his full name? Auguste Comte. What is his full name? Is Auguste Comte the full name, or there is some more things to be added?
There is a very long name added with Auguste Comte, but I cannot recall it now.
Okay, Auguste Comte is having such a lengthy name like Isidore Auguste Marie Xavier Francois Comte, and shortly called Auguste Comte. Do you know?
Yes, Auguste Marie Xavier Comte.
Isidore Auguste Marie Xavier Francois Comte. Okay, Yeah. So, in which book Auguste Comte coined the concept sociology? Can you tell me the name of the book in which he coined the concept sociology?
Is it the Wealth of Nation?
No, Wealth of Nation is a book not written by Comte. It's written by the father of economics. Who is father of economics?
Adam Smith is
Adam
the father
Smith.
of economics.
Adam Smith wrote that book. Auguste Comte wrote another book. Okay, 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 Malati. Can you tell us the view of Karl Marx related to alienation? What do you mean by alienation? The concept given by Karl Marx.
Alienation is a feeling whenever somebody doing some work, but he or she is do not want to do that work. That time the feeling is coming to in his or her mind.
Means
That is
a person is no, Malati, you are not able to express yourself properly. Think for 20 seconds and tell me again. Tell me again. Alienation is a feeling, no doubt. That is correct. What is that feeling?
Yes.
Yeah. Just take 20 seconds and rethink about the answer.
Yes. Just like the example, whenever a worker is working in a industry, but he or she is thinking that whatever I am producing in this industry, that will be benefit to my master, and
okay, very good.
He do not want to do that. Still, he is doing that work.
He is forced.
That is
okay, very good. Very good. You have given the absolutely correct answer. So alienation is the feeling of a worker by which he does not feel comfortable while he works, and he feels comfortable while he doesn't work. Okay, Malati, can you make some adjustment with respect to the camera, because the upper portion of your head is not visible because of some misadjustment of the camera. So just make some adjustment in your camera, because it's a online interview. Yeah, right now it's properly visible. Yeah, put that camera in that position. Okay, and sit straight. Okay, very good. You are giving very good answer. Okay, so Malati, can you tell me what is the basic difference between nationalism and patriotism?
Sorry, sir, I cannot recall now.
Okay. What are the important news in today's newspaper? Important news in today's newspaper.
Sir, the important news is today's newspaper is regarding the farmers issue.
What is that farmers issue? Why the farmers in different parts of our country, including Odisha, are committing suicide in large number over so many years? But what are the factors responsible for high rate of farmer suicide in the country as well as in our state?
First of all, the geographical area of Odisha, specifically our state Odisha, sometimes giving us a flood or sometimes giving us a drought. That's why farmers are taking agricultural loans, but they are unable to repay the loans. That is also one reason of their suicide. Another is another reason. Heavy loans are making them making their the cause of their suicide.
Okay. And in Durkheim's classification, you are a student of sociology. As per Durkheim's fourfold classification of suicide, farmer suicide in India would be coming under which category? 4 types of suicide Durkheim has discussed: egoistic, altruistic, anomic, and fatalistic. Where can you put farmer suicide in Odisha as well as in India? repeating it again. 4 types of suicide: egoistic,
Yes.
altruistic, anomic, and fatalistic. Where you would put the farmer suicide out of the 4 categories discussed by Professor Emile Durkheim? Take your
It will
time.
be
Yeah, tell me.
altruistic, sir.
No, it's wrong. It's completely wrong answer you are giving me.
Sorry, sir. I think it will be fatalistic suicide.
Not at all. Again, you committed a mistake. Okay,
Sorry,
okay,
sir. After lack of revision, I could not answer it.
okay. While instant prosperity or instant economic adversity comes, what
Yes.
type of suicide takes place among the people? Instant adversity or prosperity means economic condition is extremely degraded, falling down economically, or becoming prosperous. What type of suicide the person is tempted to commit? That is anomic suicide. Anomic suicide. Farmer suicide
Yes,
in Odisha and India is an
Yes,
example
due
of
to-
anomic suicide. Okay. So which district of Odisha you are from?
I am from Angul of
Angul.
Odisha.
Okay.
Yes.
How can Angul district be economically developed? Can you suggest some projects and program how to make Angul more developed?
Yes, sir. Nowadays, I think Angul is the most industrial in all over India.
Yeah,
There are many industries that exist here already now.
yeah.
Therefore, we can take some better measures. Now it is already in well condition. Still, we have to take some better measures so that
Yeah.
Angul can
What
be
are the better
developed.
measures? What are the better measures? Socio-cultural parameter is good there in Angul. Are you happy with the rate of literacy in Angul? Are you happy with the rate of maternal mortality in Angul district? Are you happy with the rate of infant mortality rate in Angul? Are you happy or you want to bring some improvement?
Definitely, I have to bring some improvement. Still, I will say that Angul is a peaceful place. Most of the crime is not occur here, and literacy, as I say, literacy, it is also stable. Still, I have to do some betterment in Angul whenever I will get any chance.
Okay, very good. Suppose we selected you. You got OS proper. Right now, with the passage of time, you got promoted to the post of collector. So right now you are posted as a collector in Nabarangpur district of Odisha. So you are the collector of Nabarangpur districts of Odisha. You know, Nabarangpur district is not so much developed. Poverty, hunger, starvation, malnourishment, these are but the catchwords of Nabarangpur districts, including also that Naxalism, growth of Naxalism. So being the district collector of Nabarangpur district, what step will you take in the matter of reducing the absenteeism among the primary school teachers? Because many primary school teachers in Nabarangpur districts, they are not going to the school on time, and they are giving an application the previous day regarding their leave, but the next day while they come, they tear this application. So there is lots of absenteeism among the teachers of primary school in Nabarangpur district, and you are posted as collector of Nabarangpur district. But step, being the district collector, you will take to reduce the high absenteeism among the primary school teachers in Nabarangpur district?
First of all, I will try to convince them regarding the future of the student, the children who are going to school, and then if they will
Whom you
not
have to convince? Whom you have to convince? Have you to convince the teachers or the parents of the students? Whom to convince? Because teachers,
to
they
the
love.
teacher,
Teachers, you see a teacher who is not coming to school, giving application and subsequently tearing application, it bears testimony to the fact that he doesn't have any responsibility for society. Conviction will not work good there. If a collector convenes without using force and power, that will produce zero result.
I will advise the BDO to make some meetings, teachers meetings, etc., including the parents, and how they will not cheat in their duty.
So you have to give more priority upon parents meeting, not teachers meeting, because they are not coming to the school and they have developed fake mechanism how to put everything in the right form. So here, obviously you have to develop a sense of responsibility and awareness among the community of the parents. Okay, okay, very good. Malati, you know who is Malati Chaudhary? Have you heard the name of Malati Chaudhary?
Yes, sir.
Who was she?
She was a freedom fighter.
Yeah. So in which
Malati
movement, which movement Malati Chaudhary played a lead role with respect to Indian freedom struggle, particularly in context of Odisha province?
Sorry, sir. I cannot recall now. I will study on that.
Okay, Malati. Who is called Kula Buddha?
Kulabuddha is Madhusudan Das.
Why he is called Kula Buddha?
Actually, I do not know the real answer. I'm just telling he was doing everything for our Odisha. I think therefore he may be called.
What is the contribution of Madhu Babu for Odisha? Can you tell me categorically and specifically?
Madhu Babu was he was the person due to him Odisha became independent from Bihar.
Yeah, not
In
independent.
19
Odisha got separated, segregated. We got separate Odisha province. Okay. Yeah. Earlier, Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, they were united. And Odisha, to make Odisha as a province, Madhu Babu played a very leading role. Okay. Yeah. Who is a Fakir Mohan Senapati? Who is Fakir Mohan Senapati?
Yes, Fakir Mohan Senapati. I know, but unable to describe, sir.
Yeah, so he contributed to freedom fighting, or did he contribute towards the literary world? Where did he contribute? Literary world. Fakir Mohan Senapati was primarily concerned for women's rights. Can you tell the book in which he wrote about girls' education? Girls' education? Name of the book, name of the story, where he particularly demanded for girls' education.
Rebati, sir, is it Rebati?
Rebati, yeah. So you see, today you are sitting in front of me and facing the board because of the contribution of Fakir Mohan Senapati. Because once upon a time in Odisha, girls were not allowed for education. There were not only no supporters of girls' education in Odisha, rather there were many open enemies of girls' education in Odisha. In that context,
Yes.
this is Fakir Mohan Senapati who raised his voice how women should have education. And today many people are becoming, girls are becoming, females are becoming IAS and OS officers because of the initial demand made by Fakir Mohan Senapati.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Malati, can you tell me what is the name of the chariot of Lord Jagannath?
Yes,
Jagan-
sir. The chariot of Lord Jagannath is called Nandi Ghosa.
Nandi Ghosa. How many wheels are there in this chariot? How many wheels?
24. 24 wheels are there.
Okay. When Jagannath temple was constructed,
Temple constructed in 11th century.
okay. What is triple talaq?
In Muslim community, a husband while tells 3 times talaq, 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 and the divorce gets sanctioned, that is called triple talaq. As I know.
Yeah. So right now, as per law, where is standing triple talaq and which act is dealing with banning triple talaq? Can you tell me the exact act banning triple talaq in our country?
Sir, I know, but right now I cannot recall it.
Okay. Okay. So what is feminism? Do you have any idea related to feminism?
Yes, feminism is a mechanism where we try and take steps to develop the condition of the woman.
Okay. What is patriarchy? What is the meaning of patriarchy?
Patriarchy is whenever the head of the family is the man or male child, that is called patriarchy.
Okay. Okay. So why in Odisha these days the rate of violence against women is growing? What are the factors responsible for increasing rate of violence against women in Odisha as well as in our country also? What are the factors responsible for it?
Sure. This is our country where women worshipped as goddess and as well was killed mercilessly.
Yeah.
It may be cause of dowry, it may be the cause of illiteracy of the women as well as their parents.
No, you are beating around the bush. So I want the specific answer from you. What are the factors? What are the causes of increasing violence against women in Odisha as well as in India? Factors and causes responsible for increasing rate of violence against women. Yeah, please tell me.
Illiteracy will be the main cause.
Okay. Any other thing?
Sorry, sir, I cannot describe it now.
You see, had there been more number of female police in our state, then the situation would not have been improved. In our state,
Yes.
there is less number of female police. So that is
Yes.
one factor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Demand for dowry, another factor. Many factors are there. Even while a girl is also harassed in public places. Okay.
Yeah.
People say, okay, he was harassed because of short dress that she was wearing. Means they are criticizing the victim, not criticizing the criminals. So these are the factors. Many other factors are also there. So, okay, Malati, what do you mean by LGBT? LGBT. Have you heard this concept LGBT?
No, sir.
You have not heard it, huh?
No.
What is marital rape? What is marital rape?
Whenever the wife is not agree with the relationship, still the husband is doing something forcibly, it can be called as marital rape.
Okay, very good. What is the stand of Indian Parliament on it? What is the stand of Indian Parliament on it? Does Indian Parliament recognize marital rape or it outrightly reject? It says there is no marital rape.
As I heard, Supreme Court had rejected in some issues, but according to Indian Parliament, I am not aware about it.
Okay. Malati, what do you mean by capital punishment?
Capital punishment is to hang a person by neck till death.
That is
It's
capital
called
punishment. Yeah. So do you personally support capital punishment? What is your personal opinion on capital punishment? Should any criminal who has been convicted by court of law be given capital punishment? I ask your personal view on it.
No, sir. My personal view is I should try to means I should take care of the criminal so that it will be leave from the criminal activity. I should give them chances so
To reform their
like
behavior.
jail.
To reform their
Yes.
behavior. Don't you think
Yes.
capital punishment is working as a deterrent factor? If serial rapists, those who are raping minor girls in large number, if this type of serial rapist and terrorist of biggest magnitude be not given capital punishment, will it not also but provide an immoral support to rest of the terrorist and rapist to continue that type of activity? Don't you think in that situation giving capital punishment is justified?
Whenever, if we are 100% sure that he is done that type of things, somehow it should be done. Otherwise, most of the cases we should try to reform the behavior of the criminal.
Okay, very good. Yes, Marathi, can you tell me in a very precise form what communism is all about? What is communism? What is communism?
Communism is the matter of equality. There will be no inequality.
Yeah, that is called communism.
Communism is based on equality.
Equality. So Constitution of India treats all persons
Yes.
equally. So can we say in India we are having communism because Constitution of India treats every person equally?
No, sir, there is a matter of reservation, etc. So it cannot be treated equally.
What is your view on reservation? Should scheduled caste people, scheduled tribe people, OBC people be given reservation or not in this country?
They should be given if they are living like below poverty line, etc. and they have potential to do something, they should be given. But
Oh, that
after
means,
getting
yeah, I got it.
after coming to the mainstream in the matter of promotion, etc., they should then the reservation.
I
should
got
be
it. I got it. That means you want the creamy layer of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people should be excluded from reservation. Okay, creamy layer.
Yes, sir.
The rich people of SC and ST should be excluded. That you want to say. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Malati, you performed very well. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.